Me and Dad got big news.
We got over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube!
Woo! Look at their mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Does it look good?
Yeah.
All right, so we got the whole crew on there. All right, let's go. All right, here we go. We're gonna pick up some fireworks. Little fireworks action. What kind of fireworks you want to get?
I want to get
Okay. Here we go. It's getting ready to go down. Look at this. It's insane in here. Crazy. Go the right. This way. Holy. This is nuts in here. Alright, we've selected it. We're getting the Karen. Buy one, get one free, baby. A lot of noise tonight. We're stuck in the fireworks store. Alright, Lucy, let's show them what we got down there. We got some sparklers, we got some soda fountains, we got the Grand Finale down there, and we also have a machine gun down there. Boom. So it's going to be an epic evening. The 1,000 view Grand Finale. Let's hit it. If you want to see what the Grand Finale looks like afterwards, a big mess.